Last year, Alexander Green hyped up a stock by calling it his #1 microcap stock of 2023. In his presentation, he even said that this is the first time he's ever gone all in on a stock. To add fuel to the fire, Green said, "This is the biggest money-making opportunity I've seen in over a decade." That's a very bold claim to make, but does it hold true? Watch this video all the way to the end to find out. Now, as usual, Green didn't just tell his audience the name of this secret stock. He wanted them to pull out their credit cards and buy his newsletter just to learn the name of this company. But don't worry, in this video, I'll reveal it for free. I'll also share the stock's recent performance in 2024 so you can see if Green was right in his prediction. I'm about to tell you the name of the stock in 20 seconds. But first, I have a free gift to help you in the stock market. Click the link in the description, and I'll send you an issue of the only stock-picking newsletter that I use and recommend. I'm literally giving it away for free, so just click the link in the description, and I'll send it right away. Green was talking about Absci. Absci is an AI-powered drug development company based in Washington. Absci specializes in synthetic biology and artificial intelligence to accelerate the discovery and development of new biopharmaceuticals. Their platform integrates cutting-edge technologies to design, screen, and optimize therapeutic proteins and antibodies faster and more efficiently than traditional methods. By leveraging their proprietary protein printing technology, Absci aims to reduce the time and cost associated with bringing new drugs to market. This innovative approach has attracted significant attention and investment, positioning Absci as a leader in the rapidly evolving biotech sector. Investing in Absci Corporation could be a good idea for a few reasons. The company's focus on using synthetic biology and artificial intelligence to streamline drug discovery addresses a critical need in the pharmaceutical industry. As the demand for new and effective therapeutics grows, Absci's technology can significantly shorten development timelines and reduce costs, providing a competitive advantage. Now you're probably wondering if Absci is truly as good as Alexander says it is, and if it will actually become the biggest investment of the decade. Well, there are several risks associated with investing in Absci Corporation. The biotech industry is inherently high risk, characterized by substantial research and development costs, regulatory hurdles, and long development timelines. Absci's success depends on its ability to continue innovating and demonstrating the effectiveness of its technology in producing viable drug candidates. Additionally, the company's financial performance is closely tied to its partnerships and collaborations, which can be influenced by broader market trends and the success of its partners' drug development programs. The competitive nature of the biotech sector means that Absci faces constant pressure to stay ahead of technological advancements and emerging competitors. Potential investors should carefully consider these factors and their own risk tolerance before investing in Absci Corporation. As you can see, in the fourth quarter of 2023, Absci's revenue significantly decreased to $300,000 compared to $1.6 million in the same period in 2022. Despite this, research and development expenses rose to $12.3 million from $11.3 million, driven by increased stock compensation expenses. For the full year 2023, revenue remained steady at $5.7 million, but net loss increased to $110.6 million from $104.9 million in 2022. Absci ended the year with $97.7 million in cash, cash equivalents, and short-term investments, and raised an additional $86.4 million through a public offering in early 2024. Overall, it seems like the company is slowly dying since revenues are crashing while expenses are going up. Based on the past, I would say that stocks like these are usually very high risk and high reward. They are very similar to penny stocks in the sense that they can easily fall to zero, but if they do well, there's no limit to how much you can earn as an investor. Absci is under $5 as of July 2024, which means there's a lot of room to grow. But things could just as easily go the other way. And based on the revenue reports, bankruptcy seems like a very real possibility. Overall, investing in Absci seems very speculative and relies heavily on the company hitting future goals. Right now, they're burning through cash quickly, so if they don't hit these goals and can't raise more money, there is a good chance the company will no longer exist. By the way, this isn't the first time Green has made a bold prediction about a micro-cap stock in the healthcare industry. Back in June 2020, he called Zepp Health his #1 micro-cap stock of 2021. Basically the same idea as this pitch. However, the stock has absolutely tanked since then and has lost over 90% of its value. In July 2024, it's trading at a pathetic 57 cents per share. Remember, just because Green calls a stock his favorite doesn't mean it's going to be successful. After all, he's focused on making money from selling his newsletter, so even if his recommendations completely fail, it doesn't really hurt his bank account. Now, if you're sick of people like Alexander Green, and you would rather invest in low-risk, high-reward companies, I have just the thing for you. It's called the Insider Newsletter. It's my favorite stock-picking service because instead of pumping out stock teasers and advertisements, the team dedicates almost all their energy to finding the best stocks for long-term investors. As you can see, their stock recommendations actually beat the market in the long term. I want you to experience their newsletters for yourself, so I have something special for you. Click the link in the description and I'll send you one of their past newsletters with 5 stock picks for free.